This is a must-read book during this lockdown period to understand that how men and women are different from each other. This book will help you to realize that how differently we need to communicate our needs to each other to avoid conflicts. Hello readers, welcome back to Pocket Full of Stories. This is Khushbu and the book I'm recommending you today is Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus by John Gray. Yes, once again one of my most favorite books. This is the book I had started reading long time back. This book helped me to read more, to love reading more. So let's talk about Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. I'm sure you must have heard about this book a lot, or maybe you have seen your friends reading it, but still if you have not read it yet, no worries. Any time is the best time to read this book. All credit goes to Mr. John Gray, who is an best-selling author, a lecturer and a relationship advisor who has published this book in 1992. You won't believe this book has been translated in 40 languages. So now, our most favorite and important question. Why this book? Because this book will help you to answer all your questions related to relationships. When I say a relationship, it does not only mean a relationship between husband and wife or any couple or girlfriend or boyfriend. It relates to all relationships in the world, with your mom, with your dad, son, daughter, sister, brother, cousins, friends, family members, your co-workers, colleagues, your neighbors, or maybe a stranger, anyone. You can relate this relationship advice to any relationship in your life. Secondly, it helps you to build a loving and lasting male-female bond. This book will show you how to read moods and respond effectively, how to get what you want from your partner without nagging or bullying, how to communicate difficult feelings, how to avoid arguments, how to understand your friend, partner or colleague better than ever before. This book is full of amazing tips and great examples. There are total 13 chapters in this book, but I am going to talk about 5 topmost lessons according to me which helped me to grow in my life. So let's begin. Lesson number 1. We are different. No, seriously, like men and women are different.
Oh my God! Wow.
Alright, let me make it simpler for you. According to author John Gray, men and women are not only physically different, but also they communicate differently. They think, feel, perceive, react, respond, love, need, and appreciate differently. They almost seem to be from different planets, speaking different languages and needing different nourishments. When we love someone and if we have a problem between us, we do not understand how to make things better because we mistakenly assume that if somebody loves us, they should love and react in a certain way, the way we love and react when we love someone. This book will make you realize that we are different, we have to react differently, and once you realize that, things will be definitely different. Lesson number 2. Common complaints. Women have this common complaint that men don't listen.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
They either ignore them completely or offer them a solution. Whereas women don't need empathy, they don't need advices, they just need to be heard. And men get confused that I'm trying to help her, why is she not appreciating?
आपको क्या लगता है उसकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
प्रॉब्लम उसका रवैया और क्या? पढ़ाई की तरफ, हर चीज की तरफ, हमेशा बदमाशी, तेवर ही तेवर, कभी कोई बात ही नहीं सुनेगा।
मैं आपसे उसका प्रॉब्लम पूछ रहा हूँ, आप मुझे सिम्टम बता रहे हैं। आप बता रहे हैं बच्चे को बुखार है, वो मुझे मालूम है। मैं पूछ रहा हूँ बच्चे को बुखार क्यों है?
Now, on the other side, men have a common complaint that women try to change them. In this case, women always feel that they are caring for them, but men feel that they are being controlled. Instead of which, they just need acceptance from women. This is a must-read book during this lockdown period to understand that how men and women are different from each other. This book will help you to realize that how differently we need to communicate our needs to each other to avoid conflicts. Lesson number 3. When they are stressed. Men and women handle their stress very differently. Men become focused and withdrawn, whereas women become overwhelmed and emotionally involved. So in this case, when men are stressed, they need their own space. They need their own time, like watching TV or playing video games or maybe reading a newspaper or a book. But when stress levels are higher for a woman, they like to talk about their problems, express her feelings, and she loves it when someone feels understood. Lesson number 4 and my most favorite chapter from this book, speaking different languages.
जरा ये पढ़िए मिस्टर अवस्थी।
ये कैसे पढ़ सकता हूँ मैं? ये तो चाइनीज में है।
अरे कोशिश तो कीजिए, चलिए ध्यान दीजिए।
क्या बेकार की बात कर रहे हैं? मैं कैसे पढ़ सकता हूँ
देखिए, आप बदतमीजी कर रहे हैं, आपका रवैया ठीक नहीं है,
ये
आप शैतानी कर रहे हैं।
For an example, Vicky asked, "Are you okay?" Tina said, "Yeah, I'm fine." Vicky asked again, "Are you sure you're fine?" She said, "Yeah, I'm fine." When a girl says that she's fine, maybe she's not really fine. But when a boy says that he is fine, he's actually fine. Women have this tendency of expressing their feelings with superlative words, generalizations, or using some metaphors. One more example for that. Tina was really frustrated. She said, "This house is always a mess." Vicky reacted, "No, it's not always a mess. I cleaned it few hours back. Maybe you messed it up." This kind of conversation can lead to a conflict. We just need to understand that when women are frustrated, they use these generalizations to express their feelings. Tina didn't mean that this house is always a mess. She just meant, "I feel this is messed up right now and I'm really tired to clean it. Can you please help me with that?" This book will help you with small details of men and women's characteristics to avoid such situations. And now the last lesson, lesson number 5, keeping the magic of love alive. Have you noticed sometimes you feel very happy with your partner and suddenly you feel insecure about your relationship? Sometimes you really feel good about your life and suddenly you feel very unworthy, inadequate. Sometimes you had a wonderful day, you're looking forward to meet your partner, maybe your mom, dads or your friends, and once you meet them, they do something or say something that disappoints you and suddenly you're distracted. These kinds of mood swings or maybe shifts in your feelings are really confusing, but yet they're very common. So just accept it. To know it better, I am doing my favorite part of this book recommendation section, which is reading out a paragraph to you. This is from page number 303, The Seasons of Love. A relationship is like a garden. If it is to thrive, it must be watered regularly. Special care must be taken, taking into account the seasons as well as any unpredictable weather. New seeds must be sown and weeds must be pulled. Similarly, to keep the magic of love alive, we must understand its seasons and nurture love's special needs. Though it is a very old book, you will find it very easily in any bookstore for just rupees 350. And surprise, surprise, the Kindle edition you will find it for only rupees 89. And you can anytime download the free PDF format from the internet. Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus by John Gray. This book has helped me a lot, and I'm sure if you read this book, this will add value to your life as well. If this video was helpful to you, like, share and subscribe to Pocketful of Stories. I will be back with next video very soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and happy reading.